Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be explaining what a solar PV system is and what it provides in a new home. A PV panel, commonly known as a solar panel, is a device designed to capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, providing a clean and renewable energy source for your home. By generating electricity from sunlight, PV panels can significantly reduce your reliance on grid electricity, leading to lower energy bills. Your PV panels can be fed back into the grid, earning you credits or compensation, reducing your energy bills. Solar panels produce electricity without emitting greenhouse gases or pollutants, contributing to a more environmentally friendly and sustainable energy source. PV panels require minimal maintenance with occasional cleaning and inspection to ensure optimal performance. Overall, PV panels offer a sustainable, cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to generate electricity for your new home, reducing your carbon footprint while providing numerous financial and energy-related benefits. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.